Hi friends, today I am going to show you stuffed bittergourd. Take small bittergourds, wash thoroughly and cut both the ends of the bittergourd. Add water in a pressure cooker, drop all the bittergourds in it, then add rock salt and pressure cook for 2 whistles. For the masala we need red chilies, then dhania powder, cumin seeds, little methi and then garlic. Fry the red chilies, then add methi, then add cumin seeds also and fry all the ingredients. Today I am going to grind the masala in this mortar. First place the red chilies. Now add the garlic and grind it nicely. After adding dhania, add little turmeric and rock salt to grind it into a nice paste. Now add little tamarind and grind it. Now add little jeera and grind it along with it nicely. Now the masala is ready. Once the bittergourd is cold, slit the bittergourd in the center, then remove the seeds from them and then stuff the bittergourd with this masala and then tie them with a thread so that the masala doesn't come out while cooking in the oil. Since I am cooking in the oil, I am tying with this thread. Otherwise, if I grill it, no need to worry about that. If you grill it, you can just apply mild olive oil around the bittergourd, which is a healthy way. This dish tastes good with sambar and all kinds of dal varieties. This is a very tasty dish. So in this way, fry all the stuffed bittergourd, turning. Now the bittergourd is ready. Keep them on a tissue paper so that the tissue paper absorbs all the excess oil. Hi friends, the stuffed bittergourd is ready now. I'm going to taste it. It's very tasty, mouth-watering. Hope you people like this recipe. Try it at home and enjoy. Please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.